Hi, I'm Mark from Trailblade. Today I'm excited to introduce you to our new front fork assembly for the early model year Trail 70 that has the steel springer, or the pogo pins we like to call them. What this guy is, this is a new oil dampened front end assembly. So it's got an upgraded spring, CNC machine bushings. We've got a one-piece plastic slider bushing down here, new boots, and it also has a thicker diameter tube and it's heavy duty to keep it from bending. We've got the left hand and right hand. We've got a spacer that's going to come with a kit to go with the axle to use with your existing spacer. The kit will also come with the M10 bolts and washers. You get your left and right, and the coolest thing about this one is it takes out almost all the slop going back and forth on your front end. So if we go here and we slide that in, it takes away almost all of the slop back and forth. So this is part number TB117. So you can find this part and all of our other parts on mytrailblade.com. Thanks.